Please stand by. An important message will follow. This is a special message interrupting the normal broadcast.
The Kanawha County Sheriff's Office has issued a silver alert on December 27, 2025 for Ellen Marie Stephenson, 77, of Charleston, West Virginia. She was last seen leaving her residence on Toller Drive in Charleston, West Virginia, in an Army Green 2017 Jeep Patriot with West Virginia license plate 75H210. It is not known what she is wearing or where she is going at this time. Stephenson has dementia and is not supposed to be operating a vehicle. The Kanawha County Sheriff's Office believes her to be in danger at this time. Persons with information regarding Stephenson's potential whereabouts are requested to contact Corporal Ashcraft with the Kanawha County Sheriff's Office at 304-357-0169 or speak to a detective of the Kanawha County Sheriff's Office at 304-357-0556. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system.